Living in Kendall means enjoying sunny days, warm temperatures, and a vibrant South Florida lifestyle, but it also means dealing with consistent heat and humidity. For many homeowners, keeping their homes cool without skyrocketing energy bills can be a constant challenge. That's where energy-efficient picture windows make a major difference. With their wide, unobstructed glass panes, picture windows bring incredible natural light and beautiful views into Kendall homes. But thanks to today's advanced window technologies, they also help maintain cooler indoor temperatures and reduce monthly cooling costs. Here's how energy-efficient picture windows can keep your home comfortable all year long. Large glass areas designed for efficiency, not heat gain. Traditional large windows often allow too much heat to enter the home, especially under Florida's intense sunlight. Modern energy-efficient picture windows are engineered to deliver the expansive views you love without trapping heat indoors. They include advanced features such as low-E coatings that reflect infrared rays, heat-blocking glazing designed for warm climates, multiple glass panes for superior insulation. These upgrades significantly reduce solar heat gain, meaning your home stays cooler even during the peak of summer. Keeping UV rays out while letting light in. One of the biggest benefits of picture windows is the natural light they provide. However, harsh UV rays can cause interior fading and increase indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient picture windows use special UV blocking technology that filters out harmful rays while still allowing your rooms to feel bright and open. This protects furniture, flooring, curtains, and drapes. Artwork and decor. Homeowners get all the beauty of natural sunlight without the harmful side effects. Better insulation for year-round temperature control. Even though Kendall's climate is warm most of the year, having proper insulation remains important. Humidity, temperature swings, and afternoon heat can all affect indoor comfort. Energy-efficient picture windows often include argon or krypton gas fills between glass panes, tight, weather-sealed frames, insulated sashes for reduced air transfer. These features help your home maintain a stable indoor temperature whether it's a humid summer afternoon or a breezy winter morning. Lower cooling costs and reduced HVAC strain. Cooling costs can take a big bite out of a Kendall homeowner's budget. By preventing heat from entering your home, picture windows dramatically reduce the workload on your air conditioner. Benefits include lower monthly utility bills, extended lifespan of your HVAC system, quieter operation due to reduced runtime, improved energy efficiency throughout your home. For many homeowners, the savings alone make energy-efficient picture windows a worthwhile investment. Enhanced comfort without blocking the view. Picture windows offer some of the most stunning views, from lush backyards to quiet streets and South Florida sunsets. The best part is that energy-efficient models allow you to enjoy these views without dealing with heat, glare, or hot spots. Even on the warmest days, you can sit near your picture window comfortably, enjoying natural daylight, beautiful scenery, a bright, open living space, all without overheating your home. A valuable upgrade that boosts home appeal. Beyond comfort and efficiency, energy-efficient picture windows also boost curb appeal and property value. Modern designs are sleek, stylish, and customizable to match any Kendall home style, from contemporary builds to classic South Florida ranch homes. Potential buyers appreciate windows that offer lower energy consumption, long-lasting durability, modern design, low maintenance needs. This makes picture windows a smart investment for both your present comfort and future resale value. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient picture windows offer the perfect blend of comfort, style, and performance for Kendall homeowners. They keep your home cool year-round, reduce energy bills, and create bright, inviting spaces filled with natural light. If you're looking for a window upgrade that enhances your home's beauty while delivering real, everyday benefits, picture windows are one of the most effective improvements you can make.